Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a split screen video. What is a split screen video, you may be asking? Well, it's actually quite self-explanatory as it is in the name. A split screen video is where you can display 2, 3, 4 or more videos at the same time next to each other. It's basically split the screen into two parts. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can implement that in Filmora X11 or whichever version you have. Now, as you can see, once we open up Filmora, we're going to be dragging in our clips. I'm going to be choosing this and this right here. I'm going to open them up. And as you can see, we have our two clips. From here, what I'm going to be doing is going to split screen tab right here. And here you can choose the one you want. So this is for 2 videos. This is for 2 videos. This is for 3, 6, 1, 2. You get the idea. So the one I'm going to be choosing is this one right here. All I simply have to do is press on the add button, and here it shows an example. So this is what it looks like. Then you simply choose the videos you want, just like that. Press on number 2 now, and I'm going to choose this one. And now we've chosen 2 videos. Next up we pray OK, and if we press on play, let me just mute the audio. As you can see, I'm displaying split screen video. So there it is. That is how to make split screen video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.